slipping away. So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love. I'm in love. Yeah. I'm slipping away. Yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Nicole. Welcome. I hope you stick around and enjoy some more of my videos. Today's Friday. Tomorrow we're going to, oh my gosh, I'm seeing all these beautiful flowers. So nice, and flowers are crazy expensive, but if you think about it, one bouquet like the one that this man is holding, let me show you. Sorry, sir. One bouquet like that is probably it easily costs about 500 bucks, 450, 500 in that ballpark. But if you divide it, flowers last really long, or at least the past couple of, I got flowers like a week ago, 2 weeks ago. It'll be 2 weeks ago tomorrow. Will it? I can't remember. I will put it on the screen how long ago I got the flowers. The flowers are still in mint condition. They look amazing. They haven't started like wilting, or I haven't even changed the water yet since I poured it, so I need to do that today. Snip them a little bit, change the water. But if a bouquet of flowers like that lasts 2.5 weeks, you'll only be buying flowers like once a month, maybe twice a month if you're like very particular and you have to have a new fresh looking set of flowers every month. So like that's 1,000 rand, but obviously it doesn't have to be 1,000 rand. You can be frugal about it. You can go to like nurseries. You can buy the different components individually and then put them together. You could save a little bit of money that way. Macro sells beautiful bouquets for $250. Pick and Pay sells nice bouquets that are not as expensive. That bouquet is from Impala, the one that I just showed you. But Impala is like a fruit and flower store, which means it's like a specialty store. That's why the prices are so insane. Like I've seen roses in there for 500 rand, like a bouquet of like what, 8-9 roses. So I guess it kind of depends where you're going, where you're looking. You can compare prices and kind of work it out and see if you'll be able to maintain. I mean, once you start with flowers, it's kind of hard to stop. It looks so beautiful. You just want that aesthetic all the time. So how do we get you? Oh my gosh. Anyway, yeah, I'm into flowers now, and I'm trying to see how I can work it into my monthly. Like I'm trying to calculate how many times. Like in summer, I'm pretty sure they die quicker than they are right now. These flowers are holding up really, really well. So yeah, we'll have to see in summer. I might have to buy them more frequently in summer, and I'll have to calculate for that as well. Anyway, I came out here to tell you that I just went to spa. I initially went to spa to get some chips and chocolate. I've been craving chips and chocolate for the longest time, and so I went today. We got a mini bonbon cake. Got a mini bonbon cake and a mini caramel cake. I'm excited. I'm excited to eat that. And then I got chips. Initially I went for cheese curls, but then I saw these like chips that I used to buy them in school. They used to come in like little packets. They used to come in really small packets, and I used to eat them. It's an old familiar brand, and it's like 10 rand a packet. So I bought like 3 of those packets, and I got a chocolate, and obviously we have the cakes. I'm very excited to go and eat, but yeah, I don't know how we got to flowers from that, but that's what I wanted to tell you. Tomorrow we're going to my sister's, like I said, so I need to bake some of those cookies. Actually, I'd rather bake all of those cookies and have them just ready and baked. But yeah, happy Friday. Yeah, happy Friday. Also, Woolies has, oh my gosh, Woolies has the best flowers. They have tulips and hydrangeas. Oh my goodness. They sell flowers even online. But anyway, that's beside the point. The point is, I will see you guys later. Okay guys, so we just got home. We went to Spa in Impala. At Spa we got some hot dog rolls. These are really nice. A hickory ham croissant. This is the chocolate that I went with. We have a caramel and cream sponge cake. The bar one. Mini cake. These are the chips I was telling you about. I remember I got cream cheese and chives, cheese and onion, and barbecue puffs. Then we also got this disinfectant spray. It was 50 bucks. And then at Impala we got 2 containers of bananas and 3 packets of these lemon butter chips. So yeah, that's everything that we bought. I'm gonna pack this away, have some lunch, breakfast, lunch.
Feeling, but let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, oh baby I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love, deep in love with you, baby, yeah. 'Cause your love is exceptional. Ooh. It's out of control, It's out of control, but I love the rush, yeah. Out of control, oh, it overflows. Ooh, your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, but baby
Hey everyone, so it is 6:22 right now. I'm in class, but I just wanted to update you guys on my on the vaccine. I got my vaccination shot at 8:45, and I had to stay there until 9 o'clock so that they could observe me. And then once 9 o'clock hit, I was able to drive away. We went to Grace Bible Church because their vaccination is a drive-through, so you never get out of your car, which is nice. It was a quick experience, very lovely experience. It was not full at all. In terms of any side effects, I don't have any yet. I know they said it takes 6 hours. It's been past 6 hours now, and I still don't have any. I feel fine, apart from a little bit of tenderness in the arm. Actually, yeah, it's a little tender, but I'd say it's about a 2 out of 10. It's not bad at all. But yeah, that's my update for now. I will update you again tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going vase shopping. Like, it's a dedicated day to look for a vase for my room, because I want to have fresh flowers in my room, and I want to get rid of this what is it, perfume tray display situation. So I want to get fresh flowers, some nice flowers, maybe another candle. But yeah, I just wanted to update you on my arm, which is just a little bit painful. But yeah, I will see you guys later if anything happens, or tomorrow. Hi everyone. So it's 12 past 9, and I wanted to update you. I've got a little bit of lower back pain, but that really could be attributed to so many different things. It's like a 2 out of 10. It's really not that bad. And then obviously my tender arm. But I came on here actually to talk about this dress. How pretty is this dress? I couldn't talk through that try on portion earlier because my mom was on the phone. But oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this dress. There's a white one as well, but I just feel like this one is so much prettier than the white one. Whoa, please excuse the bad lighting in this particular area, but I love it, and it's on sale. I got it for $2.50. It's beautiful. It's everything. I love it. I think Cotton On might be reeling me in, so I'm gonna, keep an eye out on their website. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi everyone. Please don't mind my covers. I'm looking for something that I can't find. It stressed me out a little bit, but good morning. It's the day after I got vaccinated. I feel perfectly fine, which I'm so happy about because I was so scared of getting sick. Like my sister had pretty bad, not pretty bad, but like her side effects were so bad that she took a day off work. So I didn't get that though. Her husband, my brother-in-law, he didn't get any side effects, and I should have known that I wasn't gonna get any side effects because our birthdays are like days apart and we're like awesome. So but anyway, it is 11:09. I'm getting ready to leave the house and go vase shopping. I think I'm gonna get a vase. I'm gonna get another candle. I'm so excited about that. But yeah, after I got my vaccination yesterday, we went to the lady that does our hair. We went to her because my sister had to do her hair, and I just decided to get my leave out freshened up. So we relaxed it, and it looks so nice. Can you see that? It looks fresh again, which is so nice. I love it. But yeah, this is the update. I feel fine. Still tender, not to the touch, but a little bit of pressure is a little sore, but 1 out of 10 definitely. My lower back pain is gone. I did take painkillers before I went to bed yesterday, so I'm sorted. But yeah, I feel completely normal today. I'm gonna go eat the food that I cooked yesterday as my breakfast for today before we leave. We're supposed to leave 11:11. Oh, just as I showed you, it changed. Sorry, I made a wish though. But yeah, let me go finish with my clothes, see if I can find what I was looking for, and I will see you guys when I eat breakfast or at our first stop. I don't know. I found what I was looking for. So excited. I was looking for these leggings from Pick and Pay, and I couldn't find them anywhere, but I found them. So all's well. Hi. I just came downstairs, and I said I was gonna eat my food from yesterday. That requires me to sit down and like, get a fork. I've decided I'm gonna have croissants instead. These are from Spa. They're massive. I'm done with my croissant. I have to go to the mall now. I'm so mad. I'm going to Leroy Merlin, Westpac, and the big Mr. Price close to my house. And now I have to add the mall to that. I was gonna go to Home Stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna go. It's kind of out of the way. But now I have to go to the mall because my sister wants to go get a gift from one of her friends. I went to the mall yesterday because of my sister who needed to go get something. And now she wants to go back again today. I just throw my license away. Just kidding. It's not that serious. It's literally not that serious. But like, it's so annoying. I went yesterday. Anyway, bye. My mom's about to come out there. She's always late, by the way. Oh, is it? Let's just do my phone.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said. Had to go on dreaming, dreaming. 'Cause baby, you are everywhere. I wish that you were here, 'cause I don't want nobody else. I'm not afraid to be alone, new beginnings. I'm not afraid to overcome every feeling that I have. So take me in your arms, yeah. 'Cause nothing can really hurt us unless we let it grow. Forget about the past. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, no matter what I do. Baby, we can make it last. It's better when it's me and you, and you know it's true. I know that feeling. We say goodbye until it.
We came back to Leroy because I picked the vase from here. Okay, guys, so we just got back. I decided on these two that we saw it. Actually, I saw this one last, okay? So let me tell you. I decided on this one because it's got the height and it comes in at the top. And so it's not that big, so it won't overwhelm my table area. And then I saw this one. I really like this one, this kind of shape. I don't know if you can see that. But I really like this one. It doesn't have as much height as this, but the difference is not that crazy. They're both like not too big, not too overwhelming. They were both 89 rand, so I picked them both up. And I figured if I find something else that I like in the near future, I can just, you know, buy that eventually. But for now, these two will do. Okay, that's everything that I got. Yeah. Oh, I didn't get a candle because I couldn't decide which scent. Okay, bye.
The sparkle